Yo, it's Friday. Let's see what we got on economic calendar. Got Fed speaking all day, so one stupid thing out of their mouth could send the market in one direction or another. Um, Financial Juice saying the same thing. So basically, no news. However, something we can't predict. Like I just said, we don't know if they say anything. Then I guess that could cause the market to go in an uproar. But basically, no news today. This is where we're sitting with everything. Uh, Yesterday, that I mean, this is part of my problem that I don't accept red days, but we lucked out yesterday, and I ended up taking a trade, and we turned our minus 500 into plus $3. It is what it is. Should have just left the day alone. That was pretty risky to do. But we're up 1G on that account this week. Got 2 more thousand to go. So if we could just keep repeating this every week, have that pass in a couple weeks. But no rush on it. Oh man. All right, I forgot to when I was getting up this morning, I forgot to hit start on my coffee, so it's probably done now. Let me go get that poured, and then we'll be ready. I need some coffee in me before this market opens up. All right. Um, let's see. Looks like we're getting a pretty good reaction on 5-minute chart off of all this displacement. ES is up inside of that as well. ES isn't wanting to move though. Do we continue this downtrend? Fill all this in? I think a couple weeks ago we have made higher all-time highs on a Friday. I don't think anybody was expecting it, and then we did. So just we'll just be zoomed into our 5-second chart, anyways. Look for some little scalpy scalps. 56. Let me see if I could show you. My over leveraged win. Yo, McLovin. What kind of scalping? Like what I'm doing, or like 2 to 5 points? Maybe 10? I like it. I like it. Where are my trades? They should be. Oh, maybe I have them turned off on here. Oh, knives, you're early. Damn. Give me a second to uh trade irresponsibly before you get in here and start asking those questions. What the hell's wrong with you? I haven't even had any over leveraged trades this morning. Where is my trade from yesterday? It was after the stream and we had a little bit of a push up. 1 minute, we went down. We got done around somewhere in here. I caught this. I think it's just because I've been, I still kind of feel weird from being sick. And I'm really tired this morning. But other than that, I feel fine. Like I'm feeling pretty damn good, actually. I mean, we've been, our manual trade this week. I don't know if you saw on Discord or not, but we were, this account starts at 50,000. So we're up 1,000. But yesterday we were only up 500 because we gave back 500 on the stream. But then I ended up, kind of got back on and traded more and got that back. So we're right back to where we started yesterday morning. I shouldn't have done it So I'm a little disappointed in myself for even getting back on there. Like I can't make mistakes like that when this is turned into a performance account or a funded account. That's going to blow the account if I do that. I'm well aware. I think it's okay to take extra risks on these evals when they are. Yeah, I think it's. I think it's okay. That's what I'm telling myself. Are you done trading? Well, here's the thing, Knives. I was thinking about when we pass this account, maybe trade that one manually. Just keep doing what we're doing, and then I'll keep working on other accounts for the bots. But we've been having success doing what we're doing, so maybe I should just go for it. It will be like $80 to activate that account. And we'll only have like $110 invested with the potential of making like 3,000 in profit if we wanted to just close it when we get there. Um, I don't know. We'll see. See how what. Let's see how the next couple weeks goes as we pass it. If we pass it. We have a potential to retrace all this, not all this. Retrace all this, which means we go up over here. Hey, no. Oh, here we go. Well, if hopefully Hunter Lot got that trade right there. You're a clown. Are you stopping by? Are you stopping by? Hunter Lot has been talking about this 929 candle, and you put a buy above it and a sell below it, and aim for 10 or 5 to 10 points, and that would have worked today. 33 down to 23. There's 10 points. You can if you want. Haley's here, and I'm I mean I'm obviously doing something, but Oh man, I don't know what that means. Came down and tapped that 5 minute gap right there. So now we're gonna head back up. There we go. Came right back into all this. Tap that 5 minute again. Come on. Want to see it come back up into here. Who the hell is doing the hearts? I think that's picking. You're distracting me. As soon as we get in a trade, look at this. It just goes sideways every time. It never fails. We're out. Let's put my stop at that swing. That's right. This isn't wanting to go anywhere. Yeah, stop on by when you come through. Got all this. Should have waited for that red candle, but why is this market not going anywhere? All right, we're gonna get out for break even, and we're gonna wait because this is stupid. Hourly. Ah, damn! I didn't really look at the hourly. I looked at the 5 minute. Oh yeah, I see that. I just wanted to see this move back up into the 40s, Grim. Not even looking for much, but the second we get in, it just goes sideways. Now it's gonna go up there. Yeah, we got several bearish got several sibbies. This is ugly right now. I'm I don't know what the hell it is, but it's like just Chop City. Geez, that is so ugly on the, on the 5 second. I mean, it's doing what I wanted it to do. It's just I was not willing to sit in this. It's a little frustrating. I wanted 40s, and we got there. I'm gonna wait for a new fair value gap to form on either the 1 minute or the 5 minute. I'm not gonna take this one anymore, and we gotta just wait for something cleaner to set up before we jump back in. Yeah, this is. It sure looked like we were gonna get some clean action. Look at this move right here, but my apologies for entering, because then as soon as we entered right here, it's just went sideways and barcoded the whole thing the whole time. Let's see what like the 15-second. I'm not forcing it. We're waiting. Every time frame looks pretty bad. There's gonna be like a random like massive spike in either one direction or another when we get out of this. Could just probably buy or short the break, but I don't like that. I like buying red candles and shorting green candles. Oh, gotcha. This is very deceiving. Yo, I need those ads. I need to feed my family. You're driving anyways. You shouldn't be watching a stream, let alone chatting as well. The hell you mean the trend's your friend, Graham? There's no trend. Where's the trend? This is the trend. It's just, aw. If you do, if you really do, you better get on Hunt when you get home. Your family can wait. We just got a ball of. We just have a ball of price action here. What's that called? Ball of consolidation. How are we gonna? It's not supposed to happen in at the market open though. We're supposed to have rips and dips at market open, and we consolidate in the afternoon. But that doesn't happen anymore. Yeah, we've got Fed speaking all day, Grim. Owl at 9, which I guess maybe still talking. I don't know. Then this dude at 12, and then this one at 4. Might be more too. Oh, here we go. We're out. We're out of it. There was nothing in here, Alito. So the weekly high. Oh, we're right there. At least you got something out of that, Alito. That was some garbage price action. So meanwhile, I'm over here. I'm down $200. If this 5 minute ends up forming this 5 minute fair value gap, I think the bots will place shorts like around 520 ish because it's breaking the swing. That's a pretty big stop, but that means that we'll be aiming for quite a few points there. We came up and tapped this 1 minute right here. I like that. I like it a lot. Are you serious? Are you fracking serious? The hell's going on today? This might be a quick stream. Just taking L's after L's. All right, we went up and filled that in all the way, and then we're gonna let's get a green here. Try this again. You gotta be kidding me. These are the same setups I've been taking all week long. No, I didn't. I'll read the rest of that in a second. I like the first sentence. Yeah, anyone who's watching, be careful because there's some people who have my image, logo, and name on Discord trying to friend request people. Also, somebody is copying Alito as well, so oh damn. Yeah, I don't know if that was the real Alito. I think you may have gotten a little scammed. Or maybe it was the real Alito and he's just taking advantage of somebody creating a fake account off of him. All right, come on. Damn, Grim. I can't get anything going here. What time frame are you trading on? 5 minute? Damn. Didn't you used to trade like the 1 minute or something? Oh my god. Like it just doesn't want to respect any gaps, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I guess we're kind of respecting it. It's just chopping around so much. Just want it to come back to these lows. Like, what the hell is this? I got to go get more coffee and take a break for a second. It's pissing me off. Jesus Christ. I'll be right back. How are you guys doing? Damn, John, how the hell did you do that? We got chopped up in that. I can't just wait. Glove, and you caught that too? This move? The hell happened to scalping 5 points? Nice. Right in the wicks. Man, I feel like a short here is good because we just have failed to break above here, but You guys know if I short that, we are going up and taking those highs out. Nice, John. Nice. You guys are killing it. I, on the other hand, we're not doing that great. Let's wait till after 10. It's already 9:57. Hell yeah, John. Nice. Like, what are the chances we leave this gap here? Like, I feel like we'll come back into it. Making lower highs here. Gotta wait. I mean, Alito, you're not going to change anything. You just got to deal with it. They're not going to change something because you don't like it, you know? Um all right, here's where we're at. We're in we're in bad shape on this account. This is worse than yesterday. And yesterday. And I said yesterday I should have just left my red day where it was. I'm not I mean, as bad of a decision as it is, I'm not leaving a minus 800 day when we're going after two $300 days, you know? It's the first week of this eval. We're going to just go uh we're going to just go for it. I'm not YOLOing, but I'm going to try to grind it back, you know? It's stupid to leave it there when the account costs $30. It's stupid. Knives, you always want me to make good decisions, but you get real excited if you think I'm gonna YOLO something. You just need 120 to pass. I'm not. What makes you think I'm tilting? I'm not tilted. I'm just. I mean, we're down $800. Why would I just accept that on a fake account that we're trying to pass? Like, there's no like if it was like a real account, sure. Like, let's try to preserve it. Mhm. Well, like I said, I mean, I did this account. I'm going to try to trade it when we get it funded. But most of these PAs I'm giving to the bots anyways, so like who cares? I'm not tilting. Tilting would be like I'm not even waiting for setups and I just start jumping in like over leveraged, and I'm still going to wait for actual setups. I'm just letting you guys know where we're at, and I'm going to just keep going. Tilting is like an emotion, isn't it? I don't, I still feel the same. Like I'm a little mad, but I don't think it's affecting my, maybe it is affecting my decisions because I'm continuing to trade. I don't know. It's whatever. I don't have a max. Well, do I have a max loss? I don't know. I kind of just base it off of how I'm feeling that day. Yeah, I definitely agree. We lost weight. I shouldn't. I didn't even realize we were down that much, honestly, till I looked at it. It'd be nice for us to come back into here, 41 ish, along that. Yeah, remember I tried that with having like a 5 point stop. It was just making me nervous to enter. It's really hard on the on this 5 second chart. I guess it's doable because when I talked about it before, it was forcing me to wait for better entries. But at the same time, it was making me scared to enter. It's looking like it, Ale. Oh yeah, yeah. I tried. I've done that before. Knives where each one is the same, um, same dollar amount. We did that back in what, like September, October ish or something, and I like that a lot. That's hard to do on the. Again, that's another thing that's hard to do on the 5 second chart. I don't know if there's something built in I can use. Trading View, I could. I don't think Trading View would be very good for the 5 second though. But I agree. I completely agree with you. For sure. Well, I think I found a way with the bot, so just gotta let them trade. They took a loss yesterday, but it's all right. I like that. There we go. Just a it was only like 3 points. Damn, that looked like it was way more than that. Came back into this one as well. Just take that as we'll just take that too. We just gotta scalp this. We just went from just those two trades went from we got $100. So just keeping you guys updated. We were minus 800 now we're 693. I do have that hidden. I just unhide it when I want to see how much the trade was. I was more curious to see what those are worth. Oh, Alito. See if we got 2 minutes. Well, that's not gonna. Looks like it might close that gap right there. It doesn't show you where you enter. Seems odd. So ES never took out this high. Nasdaq did, and now we're 940. Yeah. And we have a 1 minute that we closed beneath it. So I think shorts we'd start looking at it. I don't know what I just said. I think we start looking for shorts now. See us come back up into maybe low 50s or not. We get a green candle, we'll short it. Whatever. I don't like that we're inside of this 1 minute here. Come on. It's teasing me right there right at our entry. Got this. And then oh. Damn it. Yes, looks like it wants to go down. What happened, Alito? Take that. It's like 6 points, I think. Knives, not looking at the P&L. I don't like it. I didn't like our entry. I didn't wait for it to. I said I was waiting for a green candle. I did wait for a green candle, but then market moved pretty quickly. I was just thinking that it's either I get in now or we might miss the move, which is not the best thought process. Could have waited for it to come back up into this gap little bit better. Then we wouldn't have taken any much heat on it, but it is what it was. I would have had to kill it at the top of this gap. So whenever I get in a trade with a gap, I'm usually looking at the swing that formed it. So shorting this, and I understand usually it's a negative RR, but I'm banking on a higher win rate than anything, and I think that's okay. So we have a gap here. Had I longed that stop, I would have had to kill it beneath one of these, just depending on how I felt, but around here. So wherever you see a swing right before the gap, that's where my mental stop is at. That's why I don't like taking. We have a fair value gap here. I don't like taking one that's like in the middle of a leg, because like we don't have a swing until way back down here, and I'm not going to hold that. That would suck. So probably just kill it if we went too far behind, too far beneath the gap. Well, sometimes I'm willing to. I understand that, but sometimes like you get a sense for how the market's moving. Um, there's been plenty of trades where I get in, and if we don't go there if we don't go to the profit target immediately, I'd rather just get out. And like I was talking the other day, or saying the other day, I'm trying to preserve my emotions. So that's what I mean when I say feel. Like if I don't feel comfortable, I need to just get out so I don't if I take a loss on something that I don't know how to explain it. If I'm not willing to hold on to the trade longer, but I do and I take a loss, it's going to piss me off. Then I'm going to get tilted. That I like this signature. Lows that we're about to take out right now. Now Nasdaq is moving. One minute fair value gap, 5 minute fair value gap. We're not getting any red candles here to long. This one it's way too far from here to take that trade. Like their setup's forming, it's just they're too big. It could scale down, I guess. Well, that I have to switch over to micros. Came right back to this 1 minute fair value gap, bearish. Have you taken any trades, Knives? Nice. Short this little gap here. We're inside of a bearish one on a 1 minute. Perfect. Like why weren't these working earlier? That was a very quick 32 to 29. I thought that showed like $90. Whatever. This may turn into an inversion fair value gap. We'll see. See how it's respected or not respected. Probably reaching up for this gap because we never really tapped it. Got some red candles after that. It's formed. This gap here. Just thinking that we reach up here. Let's take that. We will just take that 40 to 45, 5 points. Told you, Knives, I'm not tilted. Just gotta wait. And then once everything lines up, we strike. Go get our cheese. Yeah, probably. But you have a point there. But I guess we'll never know. We're being it's only 10:20. We're being patient. I'm not looking at the P&L. Yeah, for sure. All right, I want to see how this candle closes. Damn, we got out of that at the perfect time. If I had held on any longer, that would have been tough, but that's why I just get out quickly. don't want to give the market any time to do something stupid. We didn't close beneath this gap, so it's interesting. There's lots of stupid movements on here, but I mean this pullback is kind of unexpected, but I know market is basically random. Created a little tiny volume imbalance here between these two candles. Or no, it's only a tick, but still. That's a strong downward move here. We're just wrecking anyone trading these fair value gaps. Umar, the myth and the legend. Doing pretty good. How are you doing? You get that payout? Just been I was sick the last couple weeks, but this week we're getting back into scalping on this 5-second chart. We came right back to this 5-minute here again. Oh damn. Well, at least you got something. I'm gonna buy that in here. Came back to this gap down. Can we get a green trade for Umar? Yeah, I like that move down off of this gap here, but I'm just scalping for a few points off this 5-second chart, so the overall move doesn't really matter to me, I don't think. A little gap right there. I'm just going to get out. Took a little too much heat on that. Had we waited for a little more pullback, we could have got some points that mattered, but well, we got out of that at the right time. I think we can close down beneath this 5-minute. Most likely we're going to attack 500. I just don't know. Market is weird today. Hell yeah. How's that going? least you're able to pay for everything. Now you just got to repeat. Keep pulling that money out of the market. Yes, came so close. Nice. Got big gold, man. That's good. I kind of want to short this. Oh, good thing we didn't. Jesus. We didn't have anything on the 1 minute or the 5 minute, so I'm glad I didn't take it because there wasn't really a setup there. We dodged a bullet on that. I should be looking for longs actually because we're still inside of this right here, this 5 minute. Just put that on NQ so we can have the drawings. Just not. Oh, I need NQM4. Not sure what this is doing here. Did just take out 5 minute took out this swing, 1 minute took out that swing. Is that the same thing? Yeah. 10:15. So maybe it turns around and goes after this guy up here at 10:40 or at 18,547. I don't know. As soon as I think about longing or just think about getting in a trade, it reverses. Got the smallest gap there. Just wait a second. What are we stopping right there for? Oh, we did come back up to this volume imbalance that I pointed out earlier. Okay. Forgot about that. Damn. Mm. We just can't get past this 5 minute down here. Jesus, McLovin. Are you red or green? Not bad. Yeah, recognizing you're not doing the right thing. That's good. I'm gonna buy. We had a little gap there, a little gap here, and this 1 minute fair value gap right there. It's all kind of lining up. Nope. This is going down. Jesus Christ. Now we're gonna go after these lows. Oh, this is a tough day. Damn. Yes, it has. Nasdaq is just putting up a fight to not go down here. Yeah, I've got that. I've got those lows marked out right here. I mean, it definitely looks like we want to go take those out, which should pull Nasdaq down beneath 500, 18,500. Getting keep getting all these empty. There we go. I'm gonna short. Come on, ES. Went right there again. Is this going to get pulled down to 500? Just freaking, just take that. I feel like I can't trust anything. Would have expected Nasdaq to get pulled down a little harder. No, I stopped using TradingView. We started using Quantower, so I stopped paying for TradingView. Yeah, you can get Quantower for free, and then if you want certain things, then you can pay for it. But since I usually since I usually just use basic candles and nothing fancy, you can use a free one. Oh, it's a battle, Joseph. I think we're down. Let's see. We're down 457. Market's just being a little biatch today. But we're just out here trying to survive. Scalping. Like if we had a clean entry over here on the 5-second, I'd long since ES took out that low. Nasdaq wasn't willing to go down there. All right, now we're gonna go down. It is a war today. We're not giving up though. Nasdaq is not willing to go take that low out, which is the same low that ES just took out. It's putting up a fight. Yeah, for sure. Hey, what's up, Outdoors? Good job being green today. Anyone who's green today, you did a hell of a job because this is tough. I'm down. We're down 450, but we were down 800 earlier, so we're fighting and climbing back. I just want to get. I would like to just get that a little more manageable, and then we can think about calling it. Nice. Nasdaq took a couple evals from you. God, I want to short it so bad, but ES taking that out. Nasdaq's not taking it out. I feel like if ES closes back up here, Nasdaq's gonna rip. There is. It does not want to go back down to 500 at all. Look at these wicks. Nasdaq might not go take that out. I feel like once ES closes back up here, then Nasdaq's gonna take off. But ES is staying down there. ES even took out all these lows back here. Got this little gap there. We got filled way up there. It's okay. Just gonna take a few points. We're trying to be cautious. Just grind this account back. Yes, it's still wanting to go lower, I guess. Yes, making me nervous. We did come up to this 1 minute gap, so guess we should look for shorts. Short this little gap. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. We take like one step back and we take one step forward and then 2 steps backwards. Come on. I gotta get out of that. We can't risk this just freaking ripping up. God damn it. Just figured everything was pointing to Nasdaq going to take out those lows finally. But she doesn't want to. Now we're going to, right? Because now we're going to. Okay, I see. God, what a range, huh? Less than 50 points for the last hour and 15 minutes. Like I either want to see ES get back above these lows, so back up here, or I want to see Nasdaq go and take out these lows. Right? I think Nasdaq's going to pull ES up in there. I don't know. I don't know if I even want to take any more. Might just deal with our red, which sucks because we were down this much. We were down this much yesterday, and I was able to climb back out. And today it's just not happening. I think we'll just accept it. This market kind of sucks today, but Friday after FOMC and initial jobless claims or whatever the hell yesterday was, we're probably just going to range, and that means I'm going to get chopped up. So we'll accept defeat, and we'll come back next week. But if you guys continue, be careful, stay safe. You guys have a good weekend, and see you guys on Monday morning.